If you are wondering if we have back tap gestures on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then the answer is yes. We can enable or disable back tap gestures by going to settings, then over here scroll down and choose gestures, and then here we can scroll down again in order to find quick launch. This is the back tap gesture which can be toggled by tapping on this switcher. We can also go over here to the settings in the bottom left corner in order to choose what should happen when we double back tap the phone. In my case, I have chosen to take a screenshot. We can also press try it out in order to find out if we can learn how to do this. So usually I try to tap somewhere over here, this upper side of the phone, and there we go. As you can see, it works. So let's see if we can take the screenshot. It works just fine. So this is how I tap. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!